Hello everyone and have a good day to all of you. Hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. So we have to understand what we think for developing ourselves in this 21st century. So before accepting anything, we need proof, either scientifically or digitally. This logic is implemented to all professionals, businessmen, and students. So let's take an example like element, sun, water, air, etc., which do not require proof. These elements are already proven. So we all want to achieve success in our life. For this, we keep on focusing on our work day and night. But sometimes we did mistake by ignoring one thing. In last, the result will be worst, which we can't imagine. Yes, that is health. So, no wealth without health. So with hard work, food is also compulsory. So according to Vastu, the kitchen should be proper structured to get proper hygiene food. According to Vastu, the kitchen should be in southeast direction. But why not in other direction? You must be curious to know that what is the reason behind this. It is happen because of different element present in each direction, and southeast direction is for fire element. In this direction, the sun rays, that is UV rays, passes smoothly. Due to proper amount of UV rays in this direction, the corner receive adequate temperature, which kills germs and other bacteria in this corner. And this is very beneficial in keeping our food hygienic. On the other hand, excessive sunlight in this direction keeps the food fresh for long time. That is the reason I recommend to keep the kitchen in southeast direction. On the second hand, while cooking, the fish should be in east direction, and the windows of the kitchen on east side should be big and on south side should be small. And if we discuss some accessories of kitchen, then fridge should be southwest or northwest, oven should be in southeast, sink should be in northeast, gas slab in east, furniture west or south, and kitchen entry gate should be north. Namaskar.